The question here is asking for the decomposition of this kernel matrix into the feature vector representation. So there's no systematic way of doing this. What we are doing is just guess and check. So since it's multiple choice, we are just going to guess one of them and check if it's right, and then somehow figure out if it works, what needs to be changed, basically. So Kij, this notation is actually not good, so I'll use notation II prime as K to represent the index of the K matrix, and this should be phi of xi transpose phi of xi prime. So these are instances, since they are not features. So this is instance I, and this is instance I prime. So basically, in the X training matrix, is the i's row of that matrix, not the i's column. So next thing to do is just put them in, and then the transposed matrix will be xi square root xi and 3, and the not transposed vector will be exponential xi prime square root xi prime and 3. So if you multiply them, row multiplied by column and add them up, it's just exponential xi plus xi prime plus square root xi prime plus 9. 3 times 3 is 9. So here we don't want this. The other two parts seems correct, so only 9 is incorrect. So then you guess it's probably going to fix it by taking a square root, and this will be 3. That's how you know it's answer B.